Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix an existing Discord account is already using this number problem. So firstly, the fix is going to be very simple. Go to the settings of your Discord, be it on your browser or in the desktop application. Go to My Account tab, and under the phone number make sure to delete the existing phone number that you have in here if you've added it. And the next tip is going to be, of course, if you can't fix your problem by doing it manually, by removing the phone number from the settings, be sure to contact the support and they will be able to help you. So go to Discord support, submit a request, help and support, insert your email address, type of question, subject, description, and you can also add attachments, submit it and wait for the response. Thank you guys for watching this small video. If you like it, like the video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you very soon in the next one.